Hi and welcome to the workshop. Just wanted to show you a little project I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. It's a dresser box. It's going to be a Christmas gift for a very fine young woman, and I'm sure she'll really like it. The box is actually made from coachwood and walnut, and it features dovetails in all the joinery, and it has a single drawer but with a sliding additional drawer insert. You can see clearly that with the drawer and the insert I've gone with green felt as the liner in the bottom. In the box itself, these dovetails here are using the Gifkins jig and the A10 template, and they're really nicely proportioned, I think, for the size of box that we've got. On the drawer, I went with the H10 template because it's a little finer and the timber here is a little less in thickness, and it works really nicely. And then for the insert runner, I went with the H10, I went with the H20 jig template. Get it right. I went with the H20 template, and to give me that nice spacing because of the size of this drawer, it's not all that wide. It's about 25mm or an inch in the old money. So there it is. It's been finished with a number of coats of grapeseed oil and then some wax. And the wax is the one that I make myself, and you will find how I make that in a video below amongst my few videos that are up these days. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in 2024.